have here Heber J. Grant's typewriter that he used at home on his desk for some of his private correspondence and so on. It's a Hamamond typewriter. It dates from early on in his presidency. It was acquired from the Grant family in 1951 by an antiquarian bookseller who purchased it from the estate. Interesting looking old machine, but he used to knock out his letters on this when he was at home. Didn't have, he had a secretary, Bertha Ivans, that he used at his office, but obviously he had to knock out his own letters when he was home. It's a ribbon typewriter, ribbons up here. It's early 1900s.